Hey Maya, I'm so glad we stopped by this cafe. I really need a cold drink.
Me too, Leo. It's so warm outside today. The menu here looks great.
What are you planning to get? A hot coffee or an iced tea?
Definitely something cold. I think I'll order an iced peach tea and a chocolate donut.
That sounds delicious. I might get a cold chocolate milk and a slice of cake.
Look, the counter is clear. Let's go and order.
Hi, good afternoon. Can I please have one cold chocolate milk and a chocolate donut?
And for me, one iced peach tea, please.
How much is the total, please?
Wait, Leo, let me pay for my drink this time.
No way, Maya. It's my treat today. Don't worry about it.
Oh, thank you so much, Leo. That's very kind of you.
Here are our drinks. Cheers.
This iced tea is so refreshing. Exactly what I needed.
My chocolate milk is amazing too. Ordering food in English is actually pretty simple, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Just use polite words like please and thank you.
Exactly. That's all for today, guys. Practice these phrases next time you go to a cafe.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.